E-commerce businesses are rapidly expanding. People prefer to start a business rather than open a physical store. Welcome to our channel, E-commerce Know-How, and in this video we will see the most important features of e-commerce. Number 9. Large customer reach. Customers from all over the world can now buy from e-commerce businesses. The internet has crossed national boundaries. E-commerce allows business owners to cater to their customers without being constrained by cultural or national boundaries. E-commerce marketplaces have the potential to reach millions of customers worldwide. Number 8. Universal standard. The universal acceptability of the website is one of the most important aspects of an e-commerce business. An e-commerce website must use widely accepted systems and methods. Maintaining global standards allows e-commerce website users to use the website more efficiently. Number 7. Interactive platform. Interactivity is another important aspect of an e-commerce business. Interactivity refers to two-way communication between e-commerce website users and businesses. Customers are more likely to purchase from websites where they can interact before, after, and even during the transaction. For example, if a student wishes to purchase an online course, he will require the assistance of the website's experts in order to select the appropriate level of course for him. Furthermore, businesses can learn about the issues that their e-commerce platform users are experiencing and work to resolve them in order to reduce losses. Number 6. Rich in content and information. Because of the richness of the content and information, the content and information can be provided on the website in the form of audio, video, and images. A customer, for example, will be more impressed if there is a video available on the website containing information about the features of the products, as well as information about how to use it, or if there is a hyperlink to a blog post explaining the uses of the product. Customers who are well-informed and aware always seek such information before making a purchase decision. Furthermore, such content makes the e-commerce website appealing to customers. Number 5. Information density. The cost of gathering information has been drastically reduced thanks to technological advancements. It is now very simple to process a customer's information and pass it on to the appropriate department for future use. This has not only become simple, but also relatively inexpensive. Aside from that, the information's accuracy and timeliness have improved. A merchant can use information density to sell the same product to different groups of people at different prices. Number 4. Personalization. The ability of e-commerce businesses to provide personalized services to each customer distinguishes them from physical businesses. Businesses can recommend personalized products and offers to an individual using technology and a customer's browsing and past purchase history. Different offers and recommendations will be available on the same platform for different people. The services and products can be modified to meet the needs of the customer. Number 3. Easy to use the checkout. People can now access the e-commerce platform at any time and from any location in the world thanks to internet connectivity. People visit your website 80% of the time when they have nothing better to do or are looking for something specific. To convert this type of user into a buyer, you must have an easy-to-use e-commerce platform and an even easier-to-use checkout portal. If going through the final checkout is too difficult, they may lose interest in purchasing the product, and you will lose business. As a result, one of the most important features of an e-commerce business is the availability of multiple payment options such as credit card, debit card, PayPal, and cash on delivery, among others. Number 2. Reporting tool. The reporting tool is not required for an e-commerce business, but it can be used to improve the user experience on the e-commerce platform. The reporting tool will notify you immediately of any problems encountered by your users, allowing you to resolve them before they cause further issues for other users of your e-commerce platform. When your users know they can get help if something goes wrong with their transaction, they are more likely to use your reporting tool. Number 1. Promotional and discount code tool. The promotional and discount code tool is another less common feature of an e-commerce platform. Consider the services of Zomato, Swiggy, and Uber Eats. They always offer a discount and promotional code on the food that people order. People are more likely to purchase more if they receive discounts on their purchases. And with that being said, it's time to end our video. Which of these features do you like the most? Let us know in the comments. Like this video and make sure to subscribe to the channel for more amazing videos like this. We'll see you in the next video.